Let's talk about all the different kinds of pianos that are available and figure out what type of piano you're using today. Pianos come in basically two categories. There are acoustic pianos and electric pianos. So acoustic pianos are the name given to any piano that doesn't need to plug in or use batteries. All acoustic pianos have the ability to play loud and soft at the touch of a finger. They all have a pedal for your foot that makes the strings ring. And they all use a hammer mechanism that touches a string and makes the string vibrate. In acoustic pianos, you've got grand pianos. These are the pianos where the string is stretched out horizontally from the key. And you have upright pianos. These are the pianos that have the backs flat backs, and they go right up against a wall, and the strings are stretched vertically. In addition to acoustic, now we've got electric. Basically two categories of electric. We've got digital pianos and keyboards. A digital piano is made to be the most like an acoustic piano. It has a very realistic sound and feel. You can play loud and soft with a touch of your finger. And they have all 88 keys. Now, keyboards are usually much lighter, much more portable, and typically they don't have all 88 keys. You might just have a portion. So let's take a second and look at your piano and figure out what type of piano we're working with. First of all, let's find out how many keys your piano has. Not to literally count every single one, but let's see if it's an 88 key or not. The easiest way to figure out if you've got a full-size keyboard, meaning all the way left and all the way right, is to look at the bottom left of the piano. This is the low end of the piano. You'll notice one lonely black key down here, and all the rest of the black keys come in groups of 2s and 3s. Now we're going to count the group of 5, and there should be 7 groups. 1 across the piano. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If your keyboard looks exactly like that, then you're working with a full-size keyboard. Some keyboards are not quite that big. Some might go from maybe here to here or here, and some might stretch out even further and have almost the full 88 keys. However big your keyboard is, you just need to position yourself in the middle. So from wherever the edges are, just go in like this, okay, and figure out the middle 2 black keys and center yourself between those 2 black keys. That's the best place to sit. One more thing I want you to figure out about your piano. Does it play loud and soft with the touch of your finger? So I'm just going to play this black key right here, and I'm going to push down very quickly into the key. Now I'm going to push down very slowly. You can hear the difference. One is louder and one is softer. Do that on your piano. Do you hear a difference? If you can hear a difference, then you have what's called touch sensitivity on your piano. That means that you're going to be able to play loud and soft with your fingertips. If it sounds exactly the same, then just realize that you won't have any volume control with your fingers. And that's fine. You can still learn so much in what we're going to be doing. So whatever size piano you have, sit in the middle. Okay. See if you can play loud and soft. And let's get started.